2, 1.
Alright guys, so we had to cancel some footage of this. So I'm not going to do this poppet and a couple other poppets. So, yeah. So first poppet I'm going to step on is this. This probably is going to hurt, but it's worth it for the views. 3, 2, 1, go. It feels like stepping on plastic that's up and kind of hurts. I give it a 5 out of 10 on the hurt scale. Let's see this dinosaur. Probably gonna hurt. 3, 2, 1, go. Doesn't really. It feels like a bunch of poppets. It feels like the lost footage poppet and something else, but yeah. Anyway, this puppet, 5 out of 10. Actually, 2 out of 10. I don't really like it. This, I'm gonna put it up this side because it's gonna look weird. Let's see this. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. I don't want to pop this. Alright, it feels kind of weird and kind of unstable because it's a giant ball for what I care. These two combined because why not? 3, 2, 1, go. Man, feels kind of good, but also not really good. So, 5 out of 10 on the hurt scale. This guy's stretchy. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. I don't know, but I have a feeling that it's screaming for help. Me, 2 out of 10. This popsicle because it's midsummer, so why not use a popsicle? Oh, wrong sign. 3, 2, 1, go. Me, it feels like a okayish poppet. I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 10. But it's still a pretty cool poppet. I can't say what this is, but it's a homemade poppet Max made, aka the cameraman.
Oi.
Here's your hint. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Don't get us demonetized. This is our only way of making money at this age. I wanted it down. 2 out of 10. Let's step on this giant strawberry that looks like something it shouldn't look like. 3, 2, 1, go. Very, very soft. 1 out of 10. It's the first 1 out of 10 of the day. Also, this is the most valuable. This is the most valuable fidget spinner in the world, so we obviously can't do this. Also, this is $20. You should really buy it. Can't lie. Alright. Anyway, this frog poppet. Also, guys, one more poppet after this, and we're done for the day. But we'll upload tomorrow. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. It's not very good, but it's okay. I give it a 2 out of 10. Doesn't hurt much. Oh, it looks like this guy has a brain. Pretty big brain, too. Look. Yeah, look at that. I can't even. Anyway.
Alright, the video is over, but we still have a sponsor. And our sponsor is frogs. It's our Froggos.
I mean, I don't know if they're out right now, but
One probably is.
they probably are. Next video we'll have a video entirely dedicated to them.
Mm-hmm.
All right, goodbye, guys.